Hello, everyone. Hope you all are doing very, very well. And this is a festivals time, as we all know. So everyone is busy, I know. But I would like to say that this time, this festival time, everyone is busy in their fun, fun activities, fire, and many other. Okay, but I'll give you a suggestion. Use this time to improve yourself. That think about new ideas. Think about how can you update yourself in new way. Okay, because technology, word of technology is a very, very, very volumetric, and you need a more and more update. So please use this festive time, use these holidays in a positive way, and you gain whatever you want to gain. Okay, so what I'm going to describe today I will describe about a very short content. What is data visualization? What is data visualization? So data visualization is the representation of data in graphical or visual forms such as charts, graphs, and maps to help people understand, analyze, and interpret data more effectively. Okay, it aims to make complex data more accessible and meaningful by presenting it visually. Okay, so this data visualization can reveal patterns, trends, relationships, and insight within data, making it a valuable tool for decision making, storytelling, and communication in various fields, including business, science, and journalism. Okay, so that is called data visualization. These all question is a very short and answer is a very short, because this is which I am providing, that is or that content is all about interview type question. Okay, so very, very important question, that what is data visualization. Thank you so much. I hope you like my video. If you really like, then please click on like button and subscribe my channel. It will be a big thanks for me. Thank you. Bye bye.